In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to combine two products on Shopify. This is useful if you want to create bundles, organize similar products together, or simplify your inventory management. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your store credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Products. This section displays all the products currently available in your Shopify store. Now browse through your product list and decide which two products you want to combine. Many store owners combine products to create bundles or merge similar items with different variations. One common method is to create a single product with variants instead of keeping separate listings. To do this, open one of the products you want to keep as the main listing. Next, scroll down to the variants section and click Add Variant. Here you can add different sizes, colors, styles, or product options that previously existed as separate products. After adding the necessary variants, you can copy important details like images, pricing, and inventory from the second product into the new combined listing. Once everything is transferred successfully, save your changes and review the product page to make sure the variants display correctly. If you no longer need the second product listing, you can archive or delete it to keep your store organized. Combining products can help improve the shopping experience by reducing duplicate listings and making it easier for customers to choose product options in one place. And that's it. You've successfully combined two products on Shopify. Thanks for watching.